Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, sweetheart. BOOZHOO gakina awia. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. You like the intro? That's some introduction. Yeah. We're not kidding around anymore. We got to hit the ground running. Yeah, hit the ground running. Change, nothing stays the same. Oh, change, yeah, hit the ground running. Van Halen, man. Van Halen. My dad thought Van Halen was a person. He didn't know it was a band. Nah, he was like, oh yeah, I like these new performers. You know, like that one guy, Van Halen. Like, what? He grew up in a time when people named their children Van. I don't know. Wally Bear's here, sweetie. No way, BOOZHOO, Wally Bear. Hey, Wally Bear, what's going on? Welcome back to the show. Let's give him a gold star. Gold star for Wally Bear. And Hoa, MJ's here. MJ with the silver star. Silver star for MJ. Mino Giga Jabe, MJ. Welcome to the show. What's the show called today? I think it's called Sacred Native American Teachings or something. Sacred Native American Values. Is that it? I don't know. I'm trying to clickbait YouTube. If you want to clickbait YouTube, you should say something like, how to get a man. How to find a man. Today's show is how to get a good man. Now, I don't think women have, from what I've seen on the internet, women aren't looking for men. They're not? No. They're sick of our stuff. Men want women, but women don't want men. How's that going to work? It's not working. The birth rates are down, marriage is down, love is dead. Love is dead, but what about us? Well, not us. Our love is strong. Like Hulk. Our love is strong like the Hulk. Hulk smash. No, we got the kind of love that's, you and me, we have like Down syndrome love. What? Our love is so pure and dumb, like people with Down syndrome. Shut up. I don't know. Let me fix something here. I gotta see the comments from our many viewers. Yeah, what's going on? I'm not good enough for any woman, says Wally Bear. Oh, Wally Bear, that's not true. Maybe it's true. But I don't know, Wally Bear, have you seen what's out there? You're not good enough? You're not good enough to get some woman with a sleeve of tattoos, a ring in her nose, blue hair. I don't know. I think the pickings are pretty slim out there these days. Well, you know what I saw on the internet? What's that? Like 90% of the women are going after the same 10% of the men. Yeah. 90% of women think most men are undateable. There's like the top 5% of the Chads who are dating all the women. Every woman thinks they deserve Brad Pitt. They're not looking for regular old guys like Michael. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Today, I wanted to talk about something very important, sweetie. The Ojibwe word of the day? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's not that important, but. Nijo Gisha Good. The 4th day. Or Thursday. What happened to the text? Oh, yeah, we were doing something. It's not worth talking about. Oh, okay. Mama Aki, Mother Earth. Where was it though? Oh yeah, this is from when we did our show for the KAXE. We got new videos coming out. We have to send those to Heidi. Yep. On the KAXE website. But today, we need to talk about the 7 clans. 7 Clans Casino! 7 Clans Casino, baby! Baby! 7 clans. How would you like to make something? How would you like to get something for nothing? Come to the 7 Clans Casino. Bet your hard-earned money. And maybe, if you're lucky, you can get even more money for nothing, for doing nothing. That's gambling to me. Yep. More likely, because in the end, everyone knows the house wins. You're just going to leave your money there at the casino, wasting your time, money, life. Otherwise, today's live stream podcast is brought to you. Who's our new sponsor, sweetie? It's the 7 Clans Casino. What? Wah, wah. That'd be funny if I just trashed casinos and then we got a sponsorship. Today's show is brought to you by the 7 Clans Casino. Don't worry about what I said about gambling addiction and it being a tax on the stupid. Maybe you can make good money. So, have a lucky day. No, but today, before there was a 7 Clans Casino, Ni Joie Suis du Demug, the 7 clans of the Anishinaabe people, were as follows, sweetie. Do we have a picture? I thought we had a picture. Yep, look at this. 7 Clans Casino. Oh, but I got the, I gotta take off the green screen chromo key. Remove chromo key? Yes. And close. So, Anishinaabe Dodeum. Dodeum. The Indian clan system. These are pretty small. You got your Gigun, your fish clan. These would be like bullhead. I think the turtles are part of that, aren't they? Lizards, anything in the. These are the intellectuals and the mediators. And you got Hmong, the Loon clan. This is the chief clan, the chieftain, their leadership clan, chieftainship. Benesi, the Eagle clan, or any bird clan, except not Ajijak, but bird clans, Benesi, or like Migazi, that's a eagle there. If you're part of a bird clan, you'd be like the medicine men or the spiritual leaders. Ajijak, or the chieftainship, I guess. If you're part of the cranes, you can be a chief too. But Wabashigeshi, these are the gentle people, the reconcilers. These are, a lot of people, the counselors and stuff come from the deer clan. Makwa, we were talking about this the other day. They're the protectors and the healers. The bear clan. Wabisheshi. These are the martens and that, the weasels. They're the warrior clans. The weasels? Yep. They don't weasel out of a fight. They sign right up. They're the Ogichida. They're the warriors. And these are the 7 Anishinaabe clans. the Nijwasui Anishinaabe Dodemug. 7 Clans Casino. Gigoon. There's a fish clan. Let's say you're from the Bullhead clan. You say Awasasi Nindodam. Awasasi fish. That's what you are, huh, Michael? Yep, I'm Bullhead clan. And when they say Bullhead clan, they're not talking about bulls in their heads. They're talking about those little black fish. Those little, I don't know if they're kind of like catfish, only really little. Yeah, that's right, huh? Yeah. Hmong are the loons. That's what you are, sweetie. I'm a Hmong. I'm loony. You're Looney Tunes. Loons. Benesi, the bird. Benesi wug, but birds. These would be the eagles and stuff. A lot of those guys become medicine men because it's a whole spiritual thing. Birds carry our prayers to the Creator. Ajijak is the crane. When I was in a Fight Club, not Fight Club. Were you in Fight Club? No, I was in Cobra Kai. We had to learn how to defend against the crane. You know, like from the Karate Kid. Yeah. The crane is indefensible karate move. If you stand on one foot and you put your hands up, and and you've already learned how to wax off, wax on, paint the floor. Then there's the crane. Ooh. But Ajijak. And we also have Wabisheshi. Wabij-Ashi. That's hard to say. Wabij-Ashi. The Martins. These also include I think the beaver. Amik beaver clan. Mukwa, the bears. Protector clans. Oh, and the Martins and those guys, they're warriors. Why would beavers aren't warriors, are they? Do beavers... What do beavers eat? Trees. Do they eat trees? I don't know. Do they eat fish? They must eat fish. I don't see those beaver clan. Is there such a thing as a beaver clan? I don't think so. There probably is. But Mukwa is a bear. And Wawashikeshi, the deer. The gentle people. Gentlemen and gentle women are underrated these days. You think so? Yeah. Everybody wants to be more savage than average. What happened to the gentlemen? The guys who would open the doors for the ladies, take off their hat, act humble, stoic. Men today are all emotional and stuff. I mean, have you seen that? They're all crying around. Hey, we want, No, you got to be stoic. That's what they taught us in Smoke Signals. You want to be a real man, you guys? You got to be stoic. You take those feelings, you bottle them up. It's not healthy to bottle up your feelings. It's healthier for the people around you than to just rage off every time somebody uses your wrong pronouns. I said it's ma'am. No, get out. Anyway, so the 7 Anishinaabe clan system. Somebody mentioned yesterday, it was, you weren't allowed to, or you weren't, I don't know, allowed, but you weren't supposed to marry somebody from your own clan. You may not even be related to that person, but just the same clan. They go, no, that's like your cousin. But back in the days of the grandfathers, if somebody was traveling and they came up to a lodge and they would see a bear paw on the outside of the lodge, they go, oh, that's Bear Clan people. I can tell them I'm part of that clan. They'll treat me like family. So much like family, I won't be able to date their daughters. Or whatever. Clan system, do damn. Hokahe. A lot of women don't like Star Trek nerds. Got my TNG pin on, my jacket with a phaser on my belt. Wally Bear's a Star Trek nerd. Don't women like Star Trek nerds? I like Star Trek nerds. Why? Well, because you're a Star Trek nerd. Oh, that's right. I'm a Trekkie. Wait, am I a Trekkie or a Trekker? I think you're a Trekker. Because you're next generation. Yeah, I'm all about the next generation. But I'm definitely a nerd if I understand the distinction between being, are you Team Picard or Team James T. Kirk? If it wasn't for Spock, I'd be totally only next generation. But I love me some Mr. Spock. Me too. Yeah. Girls also don't like guys who are really into science fiction in general. If you're like a Star Wars nerd, you know, it's not like, oh, wow. You meet a nice girl, you take her back to your home. Hey, I want to show you something. This is the room with all my action figures. I've been collecting Star Wars action figures for decades. Aren't you impressed with me? Will you marry me and start a family? I will be the protector. But don't touch my Star Wars action figures. You know what I'm saying, Paul? That's right, Nanaboozhoo. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley. How's it going, people? I got a question for y'all. I want to know, do you people want to rock and roll? Whoa, 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 woo! I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, really, I can't hear you guys. There's something wrong with my in-ear monitor. Paul, nobody... Every time we do this, it's the internet. They can't... They're cheering, but you can't hear them. I can't hear you, Nanaboozhoo. I said... Never mind. He's a little deaf, you guys. Paul Stanley. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty silly when grown men have action figures. I mean, come on, you guys, grow up. So, what else, sweetie? I don't know. We got anyone on the phone? Let's see. Do we still have Joe Biden? I'm not sure. That might be something else. Why don't you give it a try? Hello, Mr. President. Da 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 da. No, that's not it. Da da. I've been telling myself I gotta learn a presidential song. I know I can never remember it. Mr. President, welcome to the show. See, it's not even him. It's David Bowie. Hello, Nanaboozhoo. It's me, David Bowie. Well, hello, David Bowie. I'm so happy to see you. This is a better call than President Biden anyway. Let me move this picture back. Whoops, that's too far. How you doing, David? Oh, I'm doing very well indeed. I'm calling from heaven. Nanaboozhoo, I was wondering if I could ask you a question about the Ojibwe language. Oh, sure. What would you like to know? Well, how does one say heaven in Ojibwe? Well, that's an interesting question. Just last night we were recording a video for Northern Community Radio, and I was up in a spaceship and we were looking at Earth and all that. And I mentioned how we don't really have a word for outer space. Some people say Gijig as a word for heaven. Gijig, heaven. Yeah, but they're kind of talking about the heavens, like where the stars live. It's the same word for sky, Gijig. I see, Gijig. But if you were to recite the Lord's Prayer, the biblical Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe, yes, you would say, Nusana Wakwing Abian. Our Father who is in Abian, heaven, Abian with an E. Abian, heaven. Right. So some people would say heaven is Abian. But then, in my teachings, what I was taught was that our word for heaven was Gazibigi Saginagay Gijagud. No, that's floor washing day, silly. No, it's not that. What is it? Gagi Gay winning. Gagi Gay Gozi Gay winning. I should really look that up, sweetie. But in English, it means the land of everlasting. Minawana Gozi Gay winning. Minawana, to be happy, happiness, everlasting happiness. The land of everlasting happiness. Gagi Gay Minawana Gozi winning. Something like that. Gagi Gay Minawana Gozi winning. Yeah, something like that. And in English, you would call it the land of everlasting happiness. Exactly. You know, that's so interesting, Nanaboozhoo. I do so enjoy watching your show here from the land of everlasting happiness. Oh, you get the live stream up in heaven? Well, of course. I was watching you this morning, and that's why I called in. I wanted to learn the Ojibwe words of the day. Oh, I could teach you the Ojibwe word for Thursday. You know what one of my favorite Bowie songs is? What's that? Thursday's Child. Oh, well, thank you very much. You're much too kind. Yeah. Neo Geisha Good. We call it the fourth day. Neo Geisha Good. Fourth day. And that's what you call Thursday. Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday born, I was Neo Geisha Good's child. Oh, dear me. Neo Geisha Good, the fourth day, or Thursday. Yep. So what else you got going on today? Well, you know, I figured I'd fly around. I earned my wings recently. Oh, really? They give you wings in heaven? Yes, of course. Haven't you been watching the many references to heaven on your popular television programs? Yeah, I guess when I was a kid. Yeah, we all have wings and halos. And I got a harp. And I'm going to sit on a cloud and play the harp. And then write a song. Hey, cool, man. I'd like to see that. David Bowie playing a harp and singing a new song. That'd be so awesome. Hi, David. Hello, Natasha. How are you, my dear? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How are you? Well, I'm quite dead, and yet I'm doing quite well because I am in a beyond heaven. That's right. Look at me, I'm in heaven. I got scars that can't be seen. Oh, wow. That's not even a deep track. That's actually from his last album, but only real Bowie fans would know that. Look at me, I'm in heaven. Anyway, Lazarus. Bowie, I gotta let you go. We got some stuff we need to do here. Well, thank you ever so much for taking my call. One more thing. How does one say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Well, Gigawabamin, Minowa. Gigawabamin, Minowa, David Bowie. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Natasha. See you, Bowie. Yeah, cool. Bowie. I thought it was going to be Joe Biden. So did I. That's what was written down here, but, you know, anytime Bowie calls in, I just think it's cool that he watches. I know, after so many years of us watching him do stuff, now in heaven he watches us. Yeah. I don't know. I wonder if Paul Stanley ever watches our show. I watch your show all the time. I think it's, out of sight. Oh, thank you, Paul. Come with me, and you'll be... What do you think, sweetie? You want me to get up there? Kind of thinking about it. I don't know if I have much to say today. How about you talk about Kate Bush? Want me to talk about Kate Bush? Yeah. This song keeps coming up. It circles around in my life. It goes away and it comes back. Back in the days of the grandfathers, when I was in high school, you guys. I was that kid who listened to the weird music nobody else listened to. I was a Bowie fan before the Let's Dance album, you know. I was listening to the weird stuff. And you know, I had an older brother who knew a lot about music, you know. I was listening to Pink Floyd and stuff like that. But the one artist I really liked a lot, and nobody ever else wanted to listen to it with me, because my friends were rockers. You know, they liked rock and roll music, heavy metal, new wave, whatever. And I was from a small town. I mean, the other kids were listening to country music and that. But I had all these Kate Bush albums. And Kate Bush was, I think, super popular in England. But, you know, she never got played on the radio in the States. Nobody knew who Kate Bush was, but I did. And she had all these weird songs. And to me, she was like my little secret friend. You know. She was also kind of in that camp with Bowie for me, where I could put on a Kate Bush album and it would make me feel more creative. You know, her lyrics were all kind of, Kate Bush's lyrics sort of felt like they came from another time. I always thought of like Elizabethan England and stuff like that. Yeah. You know, because like the song Wuthering Heights. Wuthering Heights. I actually read that stupid book because of her song, Wuthering Heights. You don't like Wuthering Heights? I love the song. The book is boring. No, it's a love story. Okay. When I was a child. Anyway, so you blew the world away when you did your cover of Kate Bush's what's the song called? And if only could. It's called what is it called? Running Up That Hill. Running up that hill and running up that road. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, and on piano, Emily just kills it on the piano. But here's a song we recorded. Natasha is singing Kate Bush's Running Up That Hill with Emily on piano and me trying to sing back up, but whatever. Miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening.
Doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me. If only could I make a deal with God, and I get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. But see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder. for the ones we love. Tell me we both matter, don't we? You, it's you and me. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. And if only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get him to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. Come on, baby, come on, darling, let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel, come on, darling, let's exchange the experience. Swap our places and running up that road, be running up that hill, that building. Say if only could. If only could, with no problem.
BOOZHOO! And Chimiquetch for the very generous super chat friendship. Kitchimanadu, Miquetch, Gaiji, Nijikwe. Friendship. Thank you for this friendship. Yeah, I guess I better say a prayer before I go any further. Put out my tobacco. Otapanan niwi asema gichimanadu. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Takawi tukawishin. Undo minawe nungum. Please help me to speak well today. Please keep me from cursing. Nah. Help me from swearing. Help me from using the F word as a comma. Nah. But please help me to say, I don't know, to be funny and whatever. Please help me adjust the camera so I don't feel so short. Oh Get you manadu. Miigwech ka iji ka kina keku. Ka iji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Dash miigwech ka bezandawieg. Thank you for listening. Apeyenge. Amen. So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Boozhoo, Benesiag. Are you from the Benesi clan? The Benesi Dodam? Are you from the bird clan? What's going on? Are you spiritual leaders? Are you leading me spiritually? I finally found a conspiracy theory I don't believe in. Some people are saying that birds are just little robots and that the government is spying on us through the use of birds, drone technology. And I'm like, makes sense. You know, they look like little robots sometimes jumping around. You know, especially when you see them like on an electric wire, you go, what are they up to there? Are they sending information? But then you go, probably not. There's a whole lot of birds that never come anywhere near the house. And they don't need to invent monitoring devices and robot birds. Everyone's got a phone right on them. You know, I think they can just listen in on your phone if they wanted to. But they say, just because you're paranoid doesn't mean people aren't really out to get you. But I take some comfort in knowing that there's a lot of people, there's too many people to spy on to make it worth their while to spy on me. I'm not interesting enough. There's a saying in Alcoholics Anonymous actually about you're only as sick as your secrets. You know, I don't have much that I'm hiding. I mean, except that I'm secretly a man. You know, other than I'm secretly a transgender. Other than that, you know, I don't have any secrets. I don't have any. Well, I got $4.44 now, but I don't really have that much money that I have to worry about. Oh, they're gonna rob my bank account. What if somebody steals my identity? They're like, hey, my name's Natasha now. I stole her identity. Like one day we'll be here and suddenly Miss Piggy just pops up all, oh, BOOZHOO. And she says, my name's Natasha, not Miss Piggy. You'll know I was a victim of identity theft. But that's the beauty of like having a beat up old pickup. I'm never worried about anybody stealing the car. People have broken into our car before, our pickup, because you'll go in there in the morning and we never lock it. Because we so almost never lock the pickup that you can't really unlock it with a key. You got to crawl in the passenger side, and so we just don't unlock it. But once in a while, you go out there in the morning and somebody's been rummaging through the glove box, going through all the garbage in the back. You can tell they were looking for something, but then there's nothing to steal. And they're not going to hot wire a 1998 Ford Mazda Chevy truck or whatever it is, that green rust bucket. That old green spotted pony we drive around. So There's not much in our house to steal. Except a teleporter. That's pretty valuable. I'd hate to lose that. Anyway. Seasons are changing. Times are changing. Where will we be? You know, it's probably not going to snow today, but you know it's coming. What is today, the 29th? I think we have 1 day left of Wate Bugagizis. 1 day left of the leaves, sprightly leaves, moon. And then it'll be October. And how many times do we have Halloween memories where where the best Halloween costume was, I'm going as a snowmobiler this year. I got my snowmobile suit and a helmet. That's my costume because it's, 10 below and blizzarding outside. Remember back in the day when Halloween costumes were like a plastic bag that had a printed something decal on it? You have that weird plastic mask with the elastic strap. Oh, hi, I'm Bugs Bunny. Your mom would put it on over your snowsuit. You're like walking around in the snow in this bizarre parka Bugs Bunny outfit. Trick or treat. Who are you supposed to be? Never mind. Just give me some candy. I want candy. Do 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 do. Hoka hey hey. I hear Coolio passed away. Coolio started his journey to the other side. Rest in peace, Coolio. I never listened to your music-io, but Coolio, you were so cool. Looking out on the morning rain. Anybody else famous pass away? That's Coolio. I think Justin Bieber is still alive, but he's had some complications. I think he's got droop face now. Bell's palsy or something like that. I don't know. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. I guess I better go back. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yeah, can you teleport me?
You got it. Hang on, I'm scanning for your coordinates.
All right.
And it looks like your coordinates are scanned.
Okay.
And that's one to teleport.
What just happened?
Never mind.
Make it so.
It didn't work.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Okay, I'm going to try it again. One to teleport.
Make it so, number one. No.
There you are.
What was that all about?
I don't know. This thing is getting old.
Yeah, I've noticed. Hey, everybody. So, what'd I miss?
Oh, nothing. I was watching you outside.
You can see me out there?
Yeah, you're on YouTube. It's live streaming.
What? Live streaming? Oh, I'm so embarrassed. You mean you guys could see me? No. Do you think it's good for us to be doing live streams?
What do you mean?
Like, aren't you ever worried we're going to become total narcissists?
Yeah, no kidding.
You know, I mean, what? Oh, here, turn on camera. I'm going to film myself talking and singing. Hi! You know, come on.
It's embarrassing.
I'm embarrassed. Hi, everyone. So, David Boy. Hey, I got an idea.
What?
Let's crank call somebody.
You want to crank call somebody?
Yeah.
Who do you want to call?
I don't know. Let me look. How about, can you get on the phone? How about that old... You think it'd be tough to find Johnny Depp?
Let me Google it. Johnny Depp, huh?
Yeah. Can you Google Johnny Depp's number?
Okay. Johnny Depp, movie star?
Yep.
Johnny Depp, Amber Heard, turd in bed.
No, just phone number.
Johnny Depp. Oh, here we go. Home phone number. All right, hang on. It's ringing.
We're gonna prank call Johnny Depp.
BOOZHOO, is this Johnny Depp? Okay, hang on. I'm going to transfer you. Yeah, just never mind. I'm going to transfer you. Okay, hang on. Okay, go ahead, sweetie.
Hello, is this Johnny Depp?
Hello. Who's this?
Is your refrigerator running?
I beg your pardon?
Is your refrigerator running?
I believe so.
Well, you better go out and catch it. Nah.
Who is this?
It's Natasha, silly.
Natasha? From the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast?
That's right. I just wanted to call. I was going to prank call somebody. I thought I'd give you a call.
Well, that's a very old joke, but it's a pretty funny one. You have a good sense of humor, Natasha.
Thanks. What's going on?
Well, I was just pouring myself a glass of breakfast wine.
You're having wine for breakfast?
Yeah, I like to have some toast and wine to start my day.
Toast and wine.
Yeah, I make a toast to the single life, and then I drink down a glass of wine.
That's really not very healthy.
Well, I'm a raging alcoholic. What do you want?
Yeah, I know. Anyway, what do you mean you toast being single? I heard a rumor that you were dating your lawyer.
That's preposterous. Why would I date my lawyer?
I don't know, 'cause she's cute.
Yeah, I saw that on the news too. A lot of people are speculating. I'd rather not talk about that, tell you the truth. You know, I've had a little too much attention on my personal life. I'd like to keep it personal.
Yeah, huh? I guess by televising your divorce or whatever that was, that drew a lot of attention, huh?
Yeah, I've been trying to keep a low profile. I want to live a more traditional life, like a true Anishinaabe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been living as an Indian man. I only answer to my Indian name, Tonto.
Oh, Tonto. Sorry. From now on, I'll call you Tonto.
Tonto, yes. Do you like my war paint?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You kind of look like an Indian mime or something.
Yeah. Sometimes I go out into the desert and I put on my paint and then I just do mime for hours, alone in the desert.
You just do mime? You mean like, faking the glass wall and walking against the wind and stuff like that?
Yes, it is the tradition of my people, the mimes.
That's great. So have you given it more thought about joining KISS?
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good idea. Paul Stanley doesn't want to quit just yet, but when his voice gives out, then I'll be there to pick up the guitar and carry on the mantle of the Crow.
Yeah, that could be your character in KISS, the Crow.
We had a picture of you once. That was pretty funny. Should I try to find that? What do you mean? Wondered what you would look like if you're in Kiss. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. If you join Kiss, you'd be there with Ace. You could be the Crow. And there's Gene and Peter. You know, I'd fit right in. Yeah, you would. And I think Kiss fans would be okay with it. You don't think they're loyal to Paul Stanley? Well, in a way, like we love Paul Stanley, and I don't know, I think most Kiss fans are pretty sick of Paul. You think so? Yeah. We love Kiss and hate Paul and Gene. Yeah, look at that. Why wouldn't I be in Kiss? I know, it'd be a missed opportunity, that's all I'm saying. What do you think, sweetie? Yeah, I totally think Johnny Depp should join Kiss. Maybe Johnny Depp could join Vinnie Vincent and the ghost of Eric Carr. Yeah. What about that? You could do a spin-off group. Johnny Depp, Vinnie Vincent, and the ghost of Eric Carr. That's a great idea. Can we still call ourselves Kiss? No, you'd have to call yourself like Kiss. Or you'd have to be like one of those Kiss cover bands where you name yourself after a Kiss song, like Young and Wasted or something. You've given me a lot to think about. Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to call you up and see how you're doing. All right, well, hey, how do you say goodbye in Indian? Well, in Ojibwe, we don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Giga min, Minawa. Well then, Giga min, Minawa, Natasha. You too, Johnny Depp. That's Tonto. I mean Tonto. See you later. Tonto, sweetie. Yep. Sounds like he wants to live the traditional way. Yep, either that or join Kiss. Can you still be a traditional Indian man and be part of Kiss? I don't know. You could be Jewish and be Kiss. Yeah, so why not? There you go, kids. To learn more about Kiss and Judaism, come back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I don't know. What did we learn today, sweetie? I don't know. Mama Aki. Mother Earth. Mama is like mother. Mama. Get it? Like, whatever. But today we talked about Anagook, the stars. Paul Stanley was a star child. That's right. Anung is a star. Anagoog are stars. Oh, I could make it all worthwhile as a rock and roll star. Did you ever want to be a rock and roll star? I still do. And then Gijig is the sky or the heaven or the day. Or like we say, Mino Gijig good. Gijig good would be morning. Gijig is day. Good morning, good day. I thought we'd have more to say about the seven clans. 7 Dodams. Dodamug. What is it? Dodamug. Dodamug. Yeah, Dodamug. Dodamug. If you'd like to get a BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Dodam mug, coffee Dodam mug, sign up on Patreon. Where's the thing? If you'd like to support the show, people who sign up on Patreon for $10 a month, getting a subscription, you'll receive Ojibwe words and phrases by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. And if you sign up for $20 a month, you get some butterflies. What is going on? I actually hit the butterfly thing. What I wanted to do was hit the mug thing, but I don't have it. Otherwise, you can bite me. Hey! But if $20 a month, you get a mug and a book. And you can also support us on PayPal and GoFundMe. Links are in the description. Or you can be like Friendship and oh wow, sweetie! Is she back? Yep. $100 from Surrealist. Miigwech for the great music this morning. Thank you so much, Surrealist. That's the other weird thing about Kate Bush. What's that? People either love her or hate her. Just last weekend, I went into the Subway shop. Herbert and Gerbert's. Got ourselves one of those tunas. And this song came on, and the guys behind the counter were like, oh, I hate this song. What don't you like? Closer, Stranger Things, I think it's called. Yeah. Everyone has an opinion on it. And I'm like, you're kidding me. I love this song. I don't even want to eat the sandwich anymore if you don't like Kate Bush. But Miigwech, thank you so much. So like that. That's how people can support our show. Or just by showing up. You know, watching the show is supporting the show. Just sitting down, having some makade, mushkiki wabu with us. Having some delicious coffee, some delicious black medicine water with you guys is supportive because I was thinking about this, sweetie. If we didn't have an audience, we couldn't even do this. I know. Like, did you notice how much work it felt like taping the pre-taped shows this time around? Yeah. It's harder to do the show without an audience. We can pre-tape stuff, but there's so much spontaneity and stuff that gets lost. So I really appreciate that you guys come by and watch our show and share your time with us. Because it's really you guys that make it possible for us to do this. Now I sound like I'm on Sesame Street. Sesame Street is brought to you today by a generous donation from the Melinda T. and Bill Gates Foundation. Bill G. Is that those same people? I think it is. Oh, that's crazy. Anywho, you want to add anything? No, that's pretty good. All right. Michael, what do you think? Let's land the plane. Let's land the plane. All right, you guys. We'll be back mañana. Mañana, that's Spanish. Yeah, from now on, we're going to teach Spanish. Nobody wants to know Ojibwe. I want to know Ojibwe. Get with the times, man. We're all going to be speaking Spanish soon enough. Manada. Menudo. Mañana. Whatever tomorrow is. Wabung. Wabung. And tomorrow, we're gonna fall in love, wabang. We're gonna fall in love. Anyway, did this play? I don't think so. Hey everyone, Miigwech. Great thanks, Gabiz and Dawieg, for listening. Thank you for listening. Dash Miigwech Gana Wabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This is Michael Lyons. Miigwech, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, Miigwech. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa. That was perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. What?